Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you? Hope you're fine. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how to make a thumbnail for a YouTube video. It's very simple. First of all, you have to go to Play Store, search for a Canva. After searching Canva, here Canva, search it here, install it, and then open. Don't forget to like or subscribe. Please watch full video. Okay, reload. If it caches, click reload button. After open Canva, you have to make an account for Canva. It's very simple. So after you made account here, please wait for a while. It opens, search for YouTube thumbnail. Here search for it. Here there is many type of templates which you want to make a thumbnail. Click it. Here is one paid or one free. One paid or one free. If you want, if you like this and if you want to paid this, so paid it version is Canva Pro. After is select the thumbnail which you like. For example, I like this thumbnail. Click on it. After it opens here, if you want to make like how to, if you are making video that how to install TikTok, for example, it's very simple. Click it, then edit, and here cancel it and type how to install TikTok. Okay, here you can remove this photo. Click delete button, delete image. Okay, here our image has been deleted, and here you can type your channel name. For example, my channel name is YouTube Gaming YT. Here YouTube Gaming YT. Okay, and here you can insert TikTok logo. Go to plus button and then go elements, then here type TikTok logo. Here the TikTok logo is here. Click the logo which you want. I like this, so I click on it. Here logos appear, and if you want to small it, click it, and here drag and drop the icon. Here your logo has, your thumbnail has been made it. Click on it, download button, and here your thumbnail is downloading. Please don't forget to like video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.